Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Boston's Crypto. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start claiming some free airdrop tokens from this website i.com. Okay, I'll be sharing the link in the description below this video. But before I proceed, I would like you guys to do me a huge favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel if this is your first time here, and hit this bell notification icon, as this will get you notified whenever I upload new videos, and also it will make these videos to reach out to more larger audience. Okay, and one thing I'm asking for you guys is to help me get this video to 100 likes. Give this video 100 likes to make this video reach out to more audience. Okay, that being said, let's dive into the video proper. In this video, currently this site is running an airdrop where you can claim money, start making money from it every day. So you guys should act fast while the airdrop is still available, because we never can tell when they will close the airdrop. So once you come to the website, this is what you will see: not for profit financial service. Banking is necessary, banks are not. Bill Gates. Once you come down, you see already on your phone, our mobile app is coming soon. But before that, we are pioneering the world's first cross-platform chat-based financial service platform. Send and convert money directly on WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. The easiest way to buy Bitcoin. Hi is not just a digital platform, banking platform, but also a wallet supporting the most popular cryptocurrencies. Easy to use, yet safe and secure. AI is driving mass adoption of crypto and blockchain technologies. Experienced and proven team. We are composed of entrepreneurs, executives, technologists, and thinkers from Bitcoin. These are the people they've partnered with: Bitcoin.com, Morgan Stanley, Credit Suisse, the Alibaba's, JP Morgan, and the rest. So to get started, all you just need to do is join with any of this platform. Use any of this platform, either you use your Telegram, you use your WhatsApp, or you use the web app. You earn up to 20% PA. Superb interest rates for members. Grow your asset instead of letting them rot in a bank. Safe and secure, no hidden fees or minimum balance. Get free crypto. They are giving out 3 billion USD worth of free crypto to a max for early adopters. So guys, you don't waste time. Sign up now and be partake of this 3 billion before it's all taken down. You enjoy lifestyle benefits. Members will get free access to digital services and exclusive offers with merchants. And you can see all the merchants they are planning to work with. Note: not all service will be available in all markets. Terms and conditions may apply. See white paper for details. So as you can see, you can just come here, sign up, use the end of this platform down here, and start earning. Okay, so let me go to my Telegram channel. All you just need to do is select end of this one. Once you click it, it will redirect you to where you are supposed to start making or claiming some airdrop money. So I'll be going to my Telegram channel. Once you sign up, use your Telegram, you will just let me scroll up to it. Okay, yeah. Welcome to the world's most accessible and remarkable banking service, right here on Telegram. So you pick your preferred language. So you select your preferred language. Once you do that, your language is set up. Just attempt all the questions being asked. Okay, once you are done with that, you can start making some clean easy money. Now just come here and click on claim daily reward. Once you click on it, it will ask you simple questions. Okay, say what great book you read recently. please reply with your own answer. You can just think and grow rich. As you can see, I just earned $2.5 and that is it. Once you are done with that, you can come here and click on refer to start inviting. Once you click on that, it will give you your referral link where you can start inviting others. Okay, so that is it for this video. My referral link is in the description below this video. Kindly use that to sign up so that you start earning some $. And this site you can only make money from it via referral. If you're not invited, you can't start making money, you can't partake in it. So use my referral link in the description below the video and be part of this massive airdrop going on right now. Okay, thanks for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you are still not subscribed to this YouTube channel, and join our Telegram community where I'll be dropping a lot of good content there. Okay, thanks very much, and have a handsome day my head. One last note, guys, currently you can't withdraw from the site right now because they are on their beta testing. Okay, so all you just need to do is just keep accumulating as much as you can, so that once the site is fully operational, you can withdraw your money to your wallet. Okay, so that's it for now. Bye.